So before, if I wanted to create a coloring book using AI software, it was a lengthy process, right? Mike paused. I'm going to show you something really cool in this video. So make sure you watch until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Back to what I was saying. As you know, if you have any experience creating a coloring book using AI software, it's a lengthy process. The cool thing is now, this expedites the whole process, makes it a whole lot faster, less time, messing around with individual pieces of software. Really cool stuff. Again, watch until the end. Okay, before I begin, I want to show you proof that Nurie Creator is already starting to earn passive royalties for some of its early members. So this is one of the early members, and check out what he had to say. I had a look at my KDP reports, and I saw that a coloring book based on elves and dwarves and created using the software Nurie Creator went live on the 5th of November, and the first sale came in on the 11th. Great result, all from using the tool Nurie Creator. Okay, let's start off with a niche, a really good niche, right? So we check this out. Christmas coloring book. We all know this is a hot market on Amazon, KDP. And yeah, definitely go after the big niches. Why not? There's no reason why you shouldn't. However, I want to make this easy on ourselves, right? So let's go after something of a sub niche. Let's put in scary or even horror Christmas coloring book, right? So we have scary Christmas coloring book. Let's blow that up, as you can see. And it has a result count of only 2,000, which is not a bad sign at all. And if we scroll down, we can see that these are sponsored. You can see sponsored. We're not looking at that. We're not looking at this one with the sponsored. This is the first organic book listing that comes up, and it makes a good amount of money. As you can see here, the BSR bestsellers rank is about 170,000 for the BSR, which is a good indication. And this is making good amount of money. And you can see also it has no reviews, that oddly enough. I know it's selling because of this number. So it's odd it doesn't have any reviews, but it's a coloring book in the horror or scary Christmas book market. So let's create something like this. Why not? Okay. So you go to your favorite free AI like ChatGPT or Gemini or Grok, whatever you want to use. And here I am on Chat. I asked Chat to give me a list of 40 different Christmas items and Christmas thingamabobs. I copy this, and then I go to Nurie Creator, and I drop it in here like that. Okay, all these little prompts here. I select background assist. I want a background. And with art style, there's all types of art styles here. Tattoo, cartoon, and grotesque zombie. I want grotesque zombie. And then I'm going to queue this task, and I got an email already. Okay, again, I already did the work. I got this email about like 45 minutes after I queued this task. And now I have the zombified Christmas scene. Okay, so this is what you do. You just go around choosing the ones you want. So I'm going to do the rest on my own. Okay, so for now, I'm going to go with 27 of the images that I got. I'm going to go with them. And I'm going to create a book real quick. I'm going to go to Speedy Book Export, click that. Okay, here I am in Speedy Book Export. Now what I want to do is use prompts as text. I want colorable text, but before that I want to choose my font. I'm going to go into here and I'm going to choose, what do we got? I want to choose Creepster. Creepster is a nice little scary Halloweenish, Christmas-ish font, and I'm going to use prompts as text. Now, if I blow this up, you'll see that I got candy cane down there. Now, I can make the font bigger if I want. Okay, cool. It got bigger. Nice. Now, I want to scroll down, and I want to enable copyright in test color page, like that. Put in my book title, Horror on Christmas Night. Okay, like that. Author name, Tim Seitel. And as you can see here, I want to increase the size of this font here, just like that. Very good, very good. I better number it. Let's number it page number. Let's start from 1. Okay, I'm good with 1. And let's bring this back up. Let's generate PDF. Okay, it took about 5 minutes to render this. Please be patient when it puts together your coloring book. The download PDF button is ready. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the outcome. Horror on Christmas Night by Tim Saito. Here we go at Tim Saito, all rights reserved. Color test page. I got my candy cane, horror candy cane. I got my, what's this? My chimney, my Christmas angel, my, what's this? Christmas bell, Christmas bells. Cool. Looks all horrific. We got our carolers here. Very good. What else we got here? We got a Christmas lights. Okay. Just like that. That's how you create a coloring book that stands out from the rest that you can sell on Amazon KDP. Be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.